Hi, thanks for joining HispanicConstructionJobs.com. We are going to talk about a great job opportunity. And first, you go right here to HispanicConstructionJobs.com. We're going to talk about this one right here. It's for HVAC Technician I, and it's for Pomona College in Claremont, California, and it pays $32.83 an hour. Wow. And the job purpose, it has the essential functions, it has the qualifications right here, the required knowledge and critical skills, the required hours, and to apply for this job, you just click this green button, very simple, or you can click up here, this green button, and if you haven't already, please sign up for the job alerts. It's free, and that way you can get notified whenever a job is offered, or whenever they're hiring for a job that you may be interested in, and whenever it becomes available. You just put your email, the keywords, and your location. And there's plenty more jobs available, and you can search right here. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Have a wonderful day.